How to delete Discord server with Auth code. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a Discord server with authentication code enabled. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open up your Discord app and go to your server that you want to delete, and then you scroll to left and then here tap on these three dots in the top here, and then here tap on settings, and now you have to tap on overview, and now scroll down. In the bottom left you will see delete server. Tap on it, tap on yes, and now here you have to enter the 6-digit authentication code. So you have to open the app Google Authenticator or Auth, where you have enabled the two-factor authentication for Discord. So let me open my Google Authenticator and copy the code. After you have copied the code, enter the code here and tap on delete server. After you tap on delete server, close your app and open it again, and you will see the server is deleted. So this is how you can delete server with authentication code. Thanks for watching.